Hi Draw-So Cuties! Today we're going to draw a ghost from Beanie Boos. So let's get started. To draw this cute ghost, we're going to first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm just going to come here and draw a circle. Nice size circle for the eyes. I'm going to come right across, about this much. Just give it enough space for a smile in between. So just 2 circles. And then we're going to make them Draw-So Cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with 2 smaller circles at an angle and a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. And same thing on this side. Okay, so now we have the eyes, and let's come in between right here and just draw a smile, so a little curve for a cute little smile for a ghost, and cap it off. And then now we can draw at the face. So we're going to come to the side of the eye, just give it a tiny little bit of space, and just going to start to draw a curve that goes around the eye. So about right here, same thing. So we're just going to draw like a wide bottom of a U. So we're going to come down. Curve, and we're just going to go ahead and connect it. There. Okay, so now we can draw the top of the ghost. I'm going to come up because there's this little part that kind of bends over. So we're just going to go up right here. Bring this in. So just slowly build it up. We're going to go up. A little bit more, and then about right here, we're going to start to curve it in. So everything's nice and round and soft. And come in here, just bend it in like a little tail. Come in and tuck it in. And then right here, just bend a little curve to connect back to here. There. So got a little ghost head in. Make it a little bit more round. Okay, so now we have, I'm going to come back up here. If you want, you can just add a very slight curve on top of each eye. Nice and light. Okay, now let's draw the body. Right here in the center, we're going to start and draw a bow first. So I'm just going to come in here, draw like a little square. And I'm going to come up with the bow part right here. So the loops can come down on both sides, and then the tail. Just tuck it back in. There, we got a little bow in. Now let's draw the body. We're going to come above our bow right here, outside our bow, and say about right here. So centering our body. And curve it down. So let's bring this curve out. So if you're more comfortable, you just draw the body first so that your bow doesn't get too big. And bring it in. And now we're going to draw this little body that has kind of like a little tail that whips out. So just curve it out and then round it off. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it. All the way back. There, we have the nice little cute body in. From there, let's draw the arms. So arms are just coming out right here, very simple, right next to the head. So we're just gonna come right here using this curve on the head and just add a little curve about right there and bring it back in. So very simple hands. There, and so then the other one's going to be the same thing, utilizing this curve of the head, so about the same size about right here. Once again, just curve it down and tuck it back in. So just make sure it's about the same and bring it back up. And then, because it is a Draw So Cute ghost, I'm going to add a little heart right here. So there, I hope you guys found this ghost super cute and easy to draw. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.